you ever dream of being the owner of thousands of lucky stars? Well, this is the perfect opportunity to get started on that dream by learning how to make them with me. First up, so origami stars are a bit unique in that, unlike most origami, they start with just a single strip of paper. These can be bought, or if you don't have the budget to blow on origami stars, you can make your own just by cutting up any normal A4 piece of paper, whether it's just thick cardboard or just coloured paper or writing paper, just by cutting down one of the stripes there, following that. But just be warned that the thickness of the paper often depends on how well your star will come out. Usually there's less chance of squishing the star or ruining it completely if the paper's a bit thicker, like here. On to actually making the star. Start off by making a knot. This can be done by bringing the right end of the paper around in a loop until it looks like the cancer awareness ribbon. Tuck the small end of the paper into the loop and gently pull at both ends until you have a flat pentagon shape with two tails. It's best to have the end of the tail as small as possible so that it can be folded out of the way. The longest edge can now be folded along the pentagon. By following the flat edge, the tail should automatically align with the parallel edge. By following this pattern of folding, you will eventually distribute the paper until there is only a little bit left. This can be folded or tucked in into this edge here. To inflate the star, you will need to pinch with your pointer finger and thumb, and then rotate until all the sides are pushed in. And all done. With enough practice and persistence, you can eventually have as many stars as me. As for their practical uses, they make great gifts. You can thread them on fishing line to be used as decorations or jewellery, or you can hide secret messages with them, just like this. Thanks for watching, and remember to join your local library.